Didn't you just do your hair like 2 days ago?
Yes, I did. And look at it. A hot mess. Like a one-day hairstyle, girl. What is this? Why do we do
love
this?
the Pixie though. That's why we did it, because you know it is hard work.
We do look good though.
You about to do
We
it
do.
again
So I
right
did.
now?
Honestly, I was just gonna slap a wig on.
A wig.
I got to go to work.
Girl, no.
I got things to do.
You
I
said
was
you were
just
gonna
gonna slap a wig
embrace
on
the
and
Pixie
call it a
life.
day.
You gotta fix it up. You gotta fix it up.
You do look good. So
Just
I
do
should
your
do it.
hair. Just give them a little revamp,
Okay, I'm gonna get into
restyle.
my revamp routine. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy. This is LindiorsLife, and you're back for another one, okay? And today we are doing a good revamp slash restyle of my Pixie, because if you know, you know. The Pixie life is not for the weak. I was aware, you know, the people told me, but I was stubborn and I didn't care, so I did anyways. So literally I did my hair, freshly washed, did my hair like, I don't even know, just a couple days ago. And here we are. And here we are. But the only good thing is that, as you can see, she still has a little bit of movement. So because she still got some movement and it's only been a couple days, I'm going to just do a little restyle routine and show y'all the products that I use and kind of like how I restyle my hair throughout the week to keep it a little fine, keep it a little zhuzh or whatever, because I hate when my hair is not done, okay? And don't mind the coffee, it's very early and I'm trying to get this content together. So first things first, obviously, this is my tried and true heat protectant. She's my girl from Keratin. Oh, I'm sorry, from Tresemme. It's a Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant. So that's literally the first thing I'm gonna go in with. Actually, I'm lying. That's not the first thing I'm going with. I'm actually gonna go in with this Christian S Style Reviving Dry Shampoo. Okay. I'm new to the dry shampoo life, but I know that you gotta hit your roots. It actually smells really good. I think if anything, the majority of my issues is the perimeter of my hair. So I'm gonna hit the perimeter and try to get into it too. Cause I did go to the gym. So my roots, they're a little funky. It makes your hair smell so good. Like, this is like hair perfume. I like to find the crown of my head and make sure I'm pushing hair back, hair to the side, and hair to the front, because that's how we get down. Okay, now that we look like a Cabbage Patch doll, let me hit it with some heat protectant. Make sure I'm not completely frying my hair, even though I'm definitely frying it. But not completely. But as you can see, she still has some movement and bounce, like I said. So that's how I know that. And also it's not greasy. That's how I know that we still have some life in this hair. So I'm going to utilize that. Okay, I have my flat iron on 360. Is it on 360? Let me see. Yeah. Have my flat iron on 360, and I like to start with the front because I just like to see my hard work because I don't care about the back. And so, specifically because this is an older style, but also I have been liking a fluffier Pixie, I'm literally just gonna go in with a big part. As you can see, she's a big part in curl. Literally losing some hair as I go. And I don't actually press my flat iron super up against the root. Just get a curl like that. And that's literally what I'm gonna be doing. just grabbing big sections and curling. Like I said, this is a restyle. We really just want it to look put together. Like on a regular day when I'm going to work, truthfully, I ain't doing all of this. I'm just gonna curl some pieces until I get my hair to look good. But because my hair was kind of like all over the place for real this morning, I was like, you know what? Let me do a good just recurl. Okay, before I get to the sides, I personally like to curl my edges first. Like, I like to go front to back on the sides, just to make sure I get the type of curl on my edges that I like. Cause I do want them to like, I want them to lay on my face. Lay on the edges of my face and not poke up. So I curl them forward. And this is like more than just edges. It's definitely hair too. But I'm just starting. Ooh, I just burned my face, child. You could like mold it, or at least start molding it down to swoop.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. Mobbing, scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grown when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one fighting? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one?
Okay, y'all, this is the final look. This is my hair revamp, middle of the week style. She's puffier, she's fluffier. You know, she's cute, but this will literally probably last me another 2 days. That's it. And then I will wash my hair. And by another 2 days, I mean like tomorrow I will have to recurl a couple pieces. But that's fine, you know what I'm saying? This is the life, hold on tight. This is a dream, it's all I need. You feel it, okay? So yes, this is the look. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll let you go down in the DMs, the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this. Were these helpful tips at all? I don't know. Honestly, I'm just guessing out here. I didn't even actually do no research. I don't even know if this is how the girls restyle their hair, but this is how Lindy restyles her hair, okay? So if these were any helpful tips, then yeah. If y'all want like a things you need to know before you get a Pixie video, I would definitely make that. Honestly, I think I'm gonna make it anyway because there are some things you need to know. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.